If you thought the Mercedes G-Class couldn't get any more outrageous, Mansory just proved you wrong. Again! In a stunning collaboration with world-famous street artist Alec Monopoly, Mansory has unveiled a G-Wagon unlike anything you've seen before. This is not just a luxury SUV, it's a rolling canvas, a performance beast, and a statement of bold automotive excess, all in one. Based on Mansory's ultra-rare Speranza, a four-door convertible version of the Mercedes G-Class, limited to just 10 units worldwide, this particular G-Wagon is officially called the ArtPiece AL3C Mono 907Y. As wild as that name sounds, the car itself is even more insane. The body is decked out in forged carbon fiber, a signature Mansory move. Every detail, from the hood to the fenders, grille, and front bumper, flaunts this exotic material with confidence. But what truly sets this build apart is Alec Monopoly's artwork. Yes, the sides of this G-Wagon are covered with symbols from the Monopoly board game, blended with neon splashes of color that feel like a board game fever dream. At the rear, you'll find what may be the crown jewel of the design, a custom spare wheel cover that doubles as a work of art. Mansory didn't stop at just wrapping a G-Wagon in a graphic print. They went full throttle with performance, luxury, and artistic flair. Step inside and it gets even crazier. The cabin is wrapped in bright turquoise leather, offset by white piping and vibrant seat belts in green, aqua, yellow, and purple. The air vents are custom painted, and Alec Monopoly's iconic characters make appearances on the dashboard and trim. From the carbon fiber trimmed pedals to bespoke leather cushions, every inch of this interior screams individuality. And while it looks like something out of a video game, the performance numbers are all too real. Under the hood, this G-Class is anything but stock. Thanks to Mansory's P820 performance package, the 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 has been pushed to extreme levels. With upgraded turbochargers, downpipes, a new air intake system, and custom software tuning, the SUV now produces a jaw-dropping 820 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. The result? Despite its weight and wild styling, this convertible G-Wagon can hit 62 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. That's sports car territory, all in a convertible tank covered in graffiti. This build isn't just a G-Wagon, it's a rolling contradiction. Luxury meets street art, high fashion meets brute power, and tradition clashes with eccentric flair. It's not built for subtlety, it's built to turn heads, raise eyebrows, and probably break a few necks while accelerating. Mansory has a long history with the Mercedes G-Class, producing some of the most radical limited edition builds on the market. From bulletproof brutes to carbon-clad monsters, each one carries a unique flavor. But this latest collaboration with Alec Monopoly takes that to an entirely new level, combining art, performance, and exclusivity into a $1 million plus showpiece. So, is this a true celebration of creativity or just a ridiculous display of automotive opulence? Honestly, it's both. And that's exactly what Mansory is all about. No limits, no apologies.